Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create star subscriptions in Telegram channel with invite links. First, update your Telegram and open your channel. On the top, tap on your channel name or profile, tap on edit, tap on channel type for use star subscription. Your channel must be private. Now before privating your channel, just remember when you private your channel, other people can use your public link. For save your public link, create another channel and use this username for that channel. And in the future, if you want to public your channel, you can use the username. Again, now I private my channel and tap on save again. Back to channel type, tap on manage, invite links. Now tap on create a new link. Now as you see, we have option require monthly fee, which means you can charge a subscription fee from people who join your channel with this link. Enable this feature. Now choose star amount per month. For example, I choose 84 stars for 1 month, almost $1, which means everyone who want to join to my channel with this link must pay 84 stars or $1. And now you can use more settings, limit by time, limit by number, or more settings. After that, tap on create. Now hold on this link and tap on copy link. Now you can send this link to everyone who want to join to your channel. This is my subscription link and I send for another person. If that person tap on this link to join to my channel, he must pay 84 stars or $1. That person must tap on to subscribe and pay a stars to join my channel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.